Coral reefs. They form some of the most diverse ecosystems on Earth and are home to around 25% of all marine species. Among these are the clownfishes, which encompass 28 different species, including one which is known worldwide. Clownfishes have astonished scientists and amateurs alike for their beautiful color patterns and for their ability to live alongside anemones. This marvelous adaptation occurred more than 10 million years ago and triggered clownfish diversification. But there are other characteristics of clownfish that make them equally mind-blowing. Any clownfish usually lives all its life in a single anemone, which it shares with other clownfish, normally of the same species. Within one single anemone, the clownfish inhabitants have a strict ranking system based on size. The largest individual is the only female in the group. The second in line is the only male in the group, whereas all the others, if any, are underdeveloped youngsters. Female and male are the only mating pair in that anemone at any given time. They spawn and take care of their young until the larvae hatch and set out to sea. A few weeks later, the larvae that have survived will reach a coral reef, and the lucky ones will find an anemone in which to live the rest of their lives. Now, when the female dies, a remarkable series of events unfolds. The former male grows in size, changes sex, and becomes the female. In turn, the largest of the young becomes the male. The new female and male will now be the mating pair and will remain so until this process happens again and again. But what is the effect of this very particular social and mating structure in clownfish evolution? Could it have been a factor in clownfish diversification? A group of researchers at the Department of Computational Biology of the University of Lausanne are trying to find out.
Hello, I'm David Hartasánchez, a postdoctoral researcher in the group led by Nicolas Salomon here at the University of Lausanne. Our group's research involves going out in the wild to find clownfish, obtaining a sample of their DNA with very little damage to them, then sequencing this DNA and using this to reconstruct clownfish's evolutionary past. To do this, we use bioinformatics, computer tools designed to deal with data such as DNA sequences. We also rely on computer simulations. Our research is an attempt to take us closer to understanding the processes that have guided the evolution of species until today. Processes which will marvel our minds for years and years to come.